You gonna put the gato in?
Mama.
Good job. You did the gato. Very good. Yeah. Are you gonna put the doggy in? Put the birdie in. Good job. There's the doggy. Oh, almost. Try again with the doggy. There he goes. Good job. You did it.
Wait.
Yeah, you're sitting on the pillow.
Mama,
Yeah, Mama's sitting on a pillow too. You did a good job finishing your puzzle, Sweet Pea. Good job. Yay. Good job.